Hiya guys, we're back at the allotment again and done a little bit of weeding, a little bit of bed digging, and now we're doing a little bit of planting. So we'll have to show you what we're doing here today. Right, so last week came and I've put in this bed my onions. I don't know if you can see, there's a little sprout there, look. So we've got half brown and half red, and these are what I've put in, as you can see. There we go. So that was last week. So there is a little bit of weeding, but you know, I'm not majorly fussed about that. In this one I've got my potatoes in. I've just planted them today as well, and I've gone for this one, which is a bit different. And I have got another bag of potatoes in the car, but what I might do is actually do them at home in a pot. And I'm planting at the moment parsnips, which are there, look. And there's quite a lot, and they come in one of these. And these veg are from Daisy's garden centre in Kirby Moorside, and these are my parsnips. Last year they were 3 of these veggie packs for £11. It's 3 for 12 now, isn't it? Yeah. So got that, which is what I'm doing right now. And here we've got the leeks, which we always have very, very good, what do you call it? Our leeks always do really well, don't they? Yeah, they do. So I'm going to do half parsnip and half leeks. Obviously I have been on to Google and I have asked, you know, what can I, you know, are parsnips and leeks, do they go well together? And they say, yeah, it makes great companion. And what I've also found is, because I'm doing garlic as well, if I put garlic around the edges of the leeks and the parsnips, they're a deterrent to like aphids and you know, bugs that attack root vegetables. So my parsnips should be well protected. So, but we'll see. We shall see indeed. So what are you doing, Mum?
At the minute I'm doing courgettes.
Yeah.
I've got garlic to plant, and I've got some leeks.
Yeah.
I'm doing my cabbage, broccoli and cauliflower next week.
Yeah. Sounds good. So the courgettes are going in this one then?
Yeah.
And what's going in that one?
Nothing as yet, because
right.
The garlic and courgettes are going to go together.
Yeah.
And the leeks, the leeks and garlic are going to go together. These courgettes I will put in this one, I think.
Okay. Yeah. So they're quite big beds. This one's got onions in as well. They are quite big beds, and we've gone for the same onions, look, as you can see, because they are good, and we always have real good luck with all of our leeks and onions, don't we?
Yeah,
so
we do. Yeah.
Cabbages didn't do very well, so but I have got some, and I will do it again and try.
I think the cabbages did really excellently well, but the coverings blew off, and
yeah,
the butterflies and then the caterpillars ate them all.
They did, ruined it all, didn't they?
We were really disappointed, so we're going to be well and truly prepared next time.
Yeah. And I've got peppers this year, so I'm going to give them a go. I've only got 4 plants, but we'll see. I've never done peppers before. But I'll just show you this view. Yeah. And it's a bit sunny today. I'm not knocking it. I'm not. It's just, you know, a bit glary because of the camera. But there you go, look. Look at that scenery.
Beautiful.
It's so quiet here as well.
What you want on here is a mini house.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll live in one of them. Well, shall we ask if we can move into that shed? It's big enough. Right, I'll get planting some more and I'll bring you back when I'm ready to do something else. So I'll see you in a bit, guys. Right, so I've done some leeks. I think there's about 18 I've put in. And how many garlic was it? About 13.
No, about 26.
Oh, 26. Ooh. So, I'll just show you the leeks. Now, I have put them in with the parsnips, but like I said, leeks and parsnips are compatible, and adding garlic around the edges, it's good for keeping away flies and bugs that damage root vegetables. So you don't actually have to cover up parsnips. I mean, you can if you want to, but you don't have to. So I'm just going to show you. Here are the leeks that we've just added. There's 18, so there's like a row here, a row in the middle, a row there. Everything else is parsnips. These little holes are what the garlic's in. So literally, I've just got to do this and make sure that they're all covered like so, all the way round. And then there's like the odd one there, look. Cover it. And that one. Now I have put like the odd one in between parsnips, because that's not going to be a problem at all, as you can see. And I'll show you. There is the last clove of garlic that is going in said hole. In it goes, and cover it up, and that is it. Nice cover, and it's all done. Now, just needs a good water.
Certainly does. I do as well. I need a good water.
Yeah. All right, I'll sit down for a second. Oh, we've been busy. Still got loads of leeks left in there.
Yeah, I can get a few more in there.
Yeah. Well, we've done quite well, haven't we?
Yeah, we have. We've done really well.
Yeah.
Been here quite a while now, haven't we?
Yeah. The dog's in the car. She's chilling. I'll have to show you what she's up to. There's me rhubarb. We cut all this back. Look at it. Look at that. It's all ready as well, I think. My shed. That's, yeah. Don't talk to me about the greenhouse. It's not the best. There she is, look, chilling in the sunshine with a bowl of water. And she's been out for a little roam around. You've got your legs stuck, you silly sausage. Look. Get your foot back in there. That's it. No, wrong way, Willow. There you go, good girl. So there, these are the peppers that I am going to be doing that I haven't done yet. There's 4. And then there's me cabbage, the round cabbages. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's about 6 of them. And I'm getting lots of kisses from this little girlie. Right, you sit down then, there's a good girl. Yes, she loves the sunshine. Basking. My camera work isn't the best because there's not really anywhere to put a tripod here. And to be honest, it'll probably sink anyway. But yeah, look at that. Look at it. Beautiful sky, nice sunny day. Oh, I love it. So Mum's doing some leeks now.
Yep.
Stabbing them in the ground. Yeah. Here are the courgettes, they're in. So it's just a load of leeks. And then next week, we'll come back next week and we'll do the rest then, eh?
Yeah, we'll do the rest.
Yeah.
I've got a lot more netting next week, hopefully.
Yeah, I mean, it's a nice day, it's lovely, you know, and it's nice to stay here and be here, but sometimes you can only do so much in one day. So, you know, Right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to pop that under there, look, because they're my parsnips. I don't need to put anything in for the leeks, but I will put the garlic. There it is, look. That one. Enden rose. And I will put this in here. So I know what's in, well, I know what's in there anyway, but, you know, you see some people, they put steaks in and then stab them on a steak so they don't blow away. But yeah, so I might be able to get a few more leeks just in this bit here along the edge of the onions, because they're good companions as well. And that will be about it for today. There's not much else. But yeah, so it's not a very big vlog, but it's a vlog nonetheless. You know, just out and about in the allotment, enjoying ourselves. Aren't we, Mum?
Yeah, we are.
We are.
And getting really hot.
Yeah, and getting really hot. Yeah, and sweaty. But look at all that behind me. Yeah, so this plot that I've got is half a plot, and it's £14 a year. It came with the shed and the greenhouse, although the greenhouse has missing a few panes of glass. Yeah. I was offered 3 plots when I came. 2 were already dug, ready to go, and then there was this one which was a right eyesore. I took this one because it had the garage, it had the shed and the greenhouse.
And that greenhouse looked lovely until we had that storm and it blew all them panes out.
It did. So there she is, look. How she's still standing, I do not know. But never mind. Right, so I'll leave this vlog here then, guys, and I'll bring you back next week, and then I'll do some more planting. I'll be digging up some of this plastic I put down to make a couple more beds, so then I'll be putting in the cabbages and some peppers. So yeah, so I'll see you in the next one. I hope you enjoyed it. It's just a quick one, show you what I'm up to today, and I'll see you soon. Say goodbye, Mum.
Bye.
And that's it today from Gardener's World.